Yeah, so you don't know, it's your boy DJ Flex 868 and it's our next episode of District TT Updates brought to you by District TT Media and powered by Tidal International Sound System. So let's not waste time and go straight into it.
I find you bright, you're bright, it's what I really hearing. He asks for a wine and I give him, I give him. A wine is a wine, I know see.
Track entitled Yeah Man by female artist Jadel. 2022 contribution coming up a little early in 2021, so you know we're gonna tilt it a little bit with Colonel Roberts and his contribution as we keep it on the soca wave. Remember, it's District TT Updates. Keep it locked.
This is the groovy balance when liquor flowing. We stumbling on the drum, we drifting. When we drinking rum, we stumbling on the drum. Don't stop the drinks from flowing. Bang, bang, so
Remember, you could like, share and subscribe to all our social media platforms to keep updated, or you can visit our website at districttmedia.com. Moving forward, we have Rising Star with his track entitled Pressure. Let's go!
We get to you to get pressure from them evil bosses. Pressure from deceitful bosses. Pressure from them wicked grasses. I get to you to them I face too much losses. It's pressure from them.
Moving forward, we have Trini Boy Juice with his track entitled Mr. Counselor. Let's go.
Mr. Counselor, put me back together, cause the rum isn't working. Daddy can't help either. So she said, help me now.
Closing off our updates this week, we feature Zan and his track entitled Sunshine and Wine. Let's go.
and they down for the run. We is experts and down to earth. If you bring more gal, well that can hurt. Today is a good day to have a good day and join in the
So
line.
until next week, we want to say special thanks to Fire Crotchets, PS Design Canada, Customize Our Things, Enchanted Treats, Carissa's Embroidery, Kamara's Culture Store, FG Griffiths Trading. Keep it locked, and until next week, we're out. Rep your district, connecting cultures, the new norm.